Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and IK is currently on a photo shoot right now, doing a little bit of modeling for an upcoming fire. And let's get straight into these hot topics. Before we get into that, we are in Midtown Atlanta, Georgia right now, and we have the beautiful lights, nightlife, and let's get into these hot topics. For our first hot topic, we want to go ahead and mention Kourtney Kardashian Masters date night in the style of a glittering sweater with her darling. So, recently we've heard about this. Kourtney Kardashian says she's in love, allegedly, with the Travis Baker. I don't buy it. I really don't buy it. And we see Kevin, or not Kevin, but Scott crying around on the corner. Go enjoy your little relationship. Keep playing around with the little dolls and the little playhouses, and let Kourtney be the grown-up, okay? And let's get into our next hot topic. Cynthia Erivo plays Aretha Franklin in Genius Aretha. We're excited for this. We heard about it and we watched a clip of it a little bit. We're going to give you guys more information when we watch the full movie, but IK and I saw bits and pieces of the clips here and there, and it's really sad what happened. The backstory for Aretha Franklin, you know, her mother, what happened with her, but we're glad that she accomplished what she did, and who she is today is a powerful icon. Let's get into our next and final hot topic because we're keeping it short and sweet. For our next hot topic, Chrissy Teigen's best 90s outfits. Personally, I don't want to hear about Chrissy Teigen anymore because John Legend is really stunning on what's it called, the Voice. He's having this fun out there. He brings out his piano every single time. We want to hear about John Legend, not Chrissy Teigen. These
my fault, OG. No, I ain't no my fault.
For all of our hot topics, enjoy your day, stay safe. And once again, we are in Atlanta, Georgia. If you haven't been here already, come check it out. Atlanta, Georgia is a beautiful place. We'll be here for a little bit, and we'll keep you guys posted on our Instagram.
Intensive. I bet they won't have. Wow, they have it. Da baby.
Let's go.
We're gonna have some fun, so if you guys want to come with me, come along.